In a remote lab, researchers unveil quantum microdrones that hover above volcanic halos, reading tremors with unprecedented precision. These pint-sized scouts use entangled sensors to map magma movement, predicting eruptions days before traditional instruments. The drones communicate through a trusted mesh, routing data in real time to satellites and ground crews without heavy towers. Citizen scientists tune into live maps, turning fear into proactive evacuation plans as lava channels redraw the skyline. This breakthrough reframes disaster response, marrying quantum tech with field deployables to safeguard communities worldwide.